What's going on? Just gonna be a quick video this week, nothing crazy, because this week coming up is gonna be a bit more involved. As most of you are aware, I'm sure. If not, go watch the other videos, I'll put them up here. I'm switching out the backbone antennas for new stuff. I'm getting rid of the 24 gigahertz stuff and going to 5 gigahertz because 24 not really being the most reliable thing in the world at a little under 9 miles. Shooting into the middle of downtown Phoenix, at least. Not to mention, as soon as it rains, it's probably gonna drop. So yeah, that ain't gonna work. I'm replacing it with 5 gigahertz stuff, and some of it's shown up. I got new radios. Oh yeah. These are AF5X HD radios, and these are kind of like the radios in the sector antennas, where they like plug into a bigger antenna or dish or whatever. And yeah, I got one of those in. It's kind of massive. This thing is a monster. That's gonna go on the relay house. I might have to actually swap that out for a smaller one if it's like too much of an eyesore, because yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be that huge. This is the, where is it? 5 gigahertz, 34 decibel, slant 45 antenna. So it's a 34 decibel monstrosity of a dish. And this plugs in the back of it. And then on the other side, I'm running a 28 or 30 decibel, I don't remember. A slightly smaller one because, like I was kind of expecting, this wouldn't fit on the roof of the data center. I wouldn't be able to get it up the ladder. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I didn't get this one for the data center as well. I got a slightly smaller one. And that actually works out pretty well because putting the bigger one on the relay house makes it kind of the download side. So you kind of want that to be a bit more beefy because people tend to download more than they upload. So that's good. We can balance it with the antennas. Sweet. Anyway, these plug into those. They're also pretty damn easy to set up, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna set you right here on said monstrosity antenna. There we go. Like that. Yeah, these, just like the ones in the sector antenna, just a bit more beefy. These things will shoot like, shit, what is it, 100? And these are really, really long range. When you pair them up with a big ass dish like this, they'll go really far. GPS thing, got some zip ties, how kind of you. Ubiquiti. Here we go. Yeah, see, it plugs into the dish like that. If I'm not mistaken, these actually use the same configuration app as the CPE antenna and the radio and the sector antenna and all that. Makes setting these up really, really easy. When you plug them in, it creates a little wireless network. You just connect to it with your phone and you can configure it all. It's pretty cool. I think these do that. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see, quick start. Maybe not. Okay. No. No, they don't. Never mind. You got to plug into them, which still isn't really that big of a deal. You see, I learned from my lesson. Learned from my lesson? I learned my lesson from last time. I'm going to configure these damn things before I put them on the roof. Because, yeah, that was a pain in the ass last time. Yeah, you have to plug into it and go to a certain IP and stuff. No big deal. Super doable. So we're going to be doing this next week. It's actually my birthday Wednesday, and I'm off Wednesday. And I might be lugging antennas on the roofs Wednesday. Yay! I don't know. We'll see. I got to see when my my antenna installer Herb is available, because I don't know when he's free. This is one of those things you kind of need 2 people to do, because you got to have one on one side aiming and, you know, plugged in and setting everything up. You got to have one on the other side doing the same thing. So yeah, I got both of these, and I got the one antenna, but I don't have the other antenna. I'm missing one. I was hoping it would come today, but apparently UPS doesn't deliver on Saturdays or something. I don't know, because I checked the tracking and it said it was in Phoenix yesterday. So I was like, cool, if it's in Phoenix today, maybe it'll show up tomorrow. Yeah, about that. No. Supposedly it's gonna show up Monday, which kind of sucks. I was hoping to get this done this weekend, especially considering it's supposed to maybe kind of rain here coming up soon. So I definitely don't want to be doing this shit in the rain. God. Not only would it be super, super hot out, but raining too. Ugh, miserable. Not only did I get the new antenna and radios and all that fun stuff, but I also got a new server. This is a HP ProLiant like my other one. That's good for it, right? This is a HP ProLiant like my other one, but this is a 2U, as you can see. Large form factor. I will put the specs up here for you, CPU and RAM and all that shit, because I don't remember. It is way more powerful than my other one. My other one rendered out videos at roughly the speed of smell, so this one is going to be much better. This one's going to be here at the house. And what I'm thinking about doing, actually, I'm actually thinking about taking the drives and the USB thumb drive out of the other server and putting it in this one. From what I understand, at least, with Unraid, you can do that. If you take all the drives and the boot device out of whatever hardware it's running in and shove it in something else, boot it up, it'll work. That's how I understand it, at least. So I might give that a shot. This is actually going to be the workhorse. It's going to be here at the house. The other one really doesn't have to do a whole lot. It's just going to run the virtual machine with UCRM on it. This is going to be the one running Plex and rendering videos and running security cameras and all that stuff. And I already have all that shit set up on the hard drives and the install on the other machine. So I think I'm going to swap it. Will it work? I don't know. Supposed to. So not a whole lot going on right now, but next week is going to be eventful. Happy birthday to me, right? Yeah. Now, before I let you go, I'm going to open this big ass dish because the more I sit here and look at it, the more curious I am. I hope the size is partly due to the packaging, because this thing is massive, and I hope the box adds to that. So let's find out, shall we? FedEx guy must have been real happy lugging this big son of a bitch around. They probably deal with this shit all the time, though. It's really not that heavy either. Yeah, nope. Nope, no packaging really. Stay up there. No. Okay, stay. Stay. Yeah, it's huge. I was hoping there'd be a little bit more on the sides, but nope. It's really just that big. Great. So this is the little dildo looking thing that goes in the middle, and then the radio slots in there, and then what the hell is that? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I don't know what any of this is. Well, we'll learn together. Obviously the mount. I'm just not exactly sure. So it looks like there's a cutout there for a pole. So I guess the pole goes in there like that. And then, yeah, there's a little tab there and a tab there, which I assume attaches there and over there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I have no idea. We'll make it happen. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I just make it look like I do, kind of. But yeah, for now, that's it. I will talk to you soon. Next week will be a bit longer, more involved video. Kind of a short one for now. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that happy noise. I will talk to you later. Bye.